Hey bakers, today I'm going to show you guys how to make my summer favorite dessert. And guess what? It's peach cobbler. The crust is going to make you go crazy. I know you try so many peach cobbler out there. Today is my special recipe and I want you guys to follow me step by step. It's not difficult and you're going to learn how to make it with me. So if you're new on my channel, consider to subscribe, hit this like button, and let's step on the gas. Guys. For our amazing peach cobbler, we're gonna need, of course, 6 large fresh peaches. For dry ingredients, we're gonna need 1 cup of AP flour, half cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. For our wet ingredients, we're gonna need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of real vanilla extract, 1 full lemon. We're gonna use the juice and the zest. So to start, I'm gonna preheat my oven 375 degrees F, and I'm going to get ready my 9 by 13 dish pan. So to start, I'm gonna cut my fresh peaches, already pre-washed and dried. So we're gonna go ahead with a sharp knife, peel them. You don't want to waste your peaches, so you're gonna make sure you shave it very lightly. That way you don't waste too much peach. We've got to continue with the second one. To do your peach cobbler, you have to make sure your peaches are really ripe and sweet. That way you don't have to add too much sugar. Just like that. We have our peaches peeled. So now we're gonna slice them. So we're gonna just slice it like this. You can slice them very tiny or you can slice them a little bigger, just like that. Let's go. So I have here all my peaches sliced very nicely. You can slice them very fine or just a little bigger. So I'm going to transfer my sliced peaches to a large bowl. Okay, I have here my 6 large fresh peaches sliced and ready to go. So I'm gonna add in my half cup brown sugar. Yeah. And I have here my lemon. I'm gonna zest it in and also squeeze the juice as well. I really love lemon in my dishes when I'm baking, and I really want a very nice flavor. I always add some lemon zest and lemon juice. Yeah. Okay, we're done zesting our lemon. So now we're gonna need the juice. But remember, we don't need the seed in it, so we're gonna strain the juice in. There we go. I have here my strainer. So I'm gonna just strain it in, just like that. So with my spatula, I'm gonna mix it up. I'm gonna toast them together nicely. Okay, I'm done toasting my peaches. There's a lot of juice in here, you know. So I'm gonna transfer that in my pan here, and I'm gonna take it to the stove to cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes to make sure they come together correctly. 2 minutes. Let's go to the stove. Okay, here we are on the stove now, and I'm gonna turn my fire on medium, not too high, just like that, on medium, and I'm going to bring my peaches to boil lightly. So at this step, we're gonna add our half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon. Yeah. And we're gonna toast it all together again. Okay, my peaches been on fire for about 2 minutes and my sugar is all dissolved. So my peaches are ready to go. Okay, for our next step, we're gonna add all our dry ingredients together. So we're gonna start with our 1 cup AP flour. There we go. Half cup white sugar. Yeah. A pinch of salt. There we go. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna give it a nice whisk. A nice and beautiful whisk. And we're gonna add our milk into it. Yeah. Milk. And our 1 teaspoon real vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. There we go. And we're gonna whisk it until it's well combined. Yep. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Make sure it's all combined very nicely. So for our last step, we're gonna bring in our 9x13 dish pan, and we're gonna pour in our melted butter. There we go. I'm gonna make sure it's spread everywhere, just like that. Make sure it's everywhere. There we go. For the butter, you can use any butter you have in hand. You can use a vegan butter or any butter you have. And second, I'm gonna pour in my butter I just made. Just like that. You don't have to mix it with the butter. You just pour that in, just like that. Don't have to be mixed up. And I'm gonna drop in my peaches pre-made on the stove. Just drop them in. Just like that. Oh, look at this beauty! I'm so excited for the final step. We got a beautiful color already. And I'm gonna of course add a very nice sprinkle of cinnamon on top. A very light coat of cinnamon on top. Just like that. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, so now our peach cobbler is ready to go to the oven. So let's go. Our peach cobbler been baking about 40 to 45 minutes, so it should be ready. So we're going to allow it to cool down and we go for the tasting. Okay, now we have our peach cobbler ready and cold. So now it's time to serve. And we can top it with our homemade vanilla ice cream. There we go. Beautiful. So now we reach my favorite part of the show. That's the tasting. Here we go. If you want to know how I made my homemade vanilla bean ice cream, check up here. I got everything in detail in this video. So let's go for the party. You're gonna get a little bit of everything. Ice cream, peach cobbler. Wow, this peach cobbler is insane. You have to try this at home. Wow, this is my favorite summer dessert. I wish you can try this at home. The crust make me go crazy. Okay, so we have here in our video. If you like this video, hit this like button to make me feel good. And also, if you're new on my channel, consider to subscribe. That way you don't miss any of my video, and also you can participate in my celebration time. Hey, okay, so we are here in our video. If you like this video, push this like, consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. I would like to see your comments. And also you can follow me on my social media. You can follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok. Yeah, all this together. Follow me over there and you're gonna see more stuff and more pictures and the show going on. So if you like my video, push the like, subscribe, comment, and see you next time.